In this video lesson, I will show you what is Jump 50 Index Pip Calculator and how to use the Pip Calculator to get the value for Pip, to calculate the stop loss and the take profit in US dollars. Here on the left side you have a Pip Calculator, and the link for this Pip Calculator you will have below in the description. On the right side you have a Jump 50 index chart inside the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, and below in the left corner you have a PDF with a Pip value table for all synthetic indices that are available. So for the Jump 50 we have here that the contract size is equal to 1, the minimum volume is set to 0.01 and the maximum one is 2. The Pip value for this one is $0.01. Inside the PDF you will have also the formula how to calculate the Pip value, and you will have also an example how to use this Pip calculator for specific synthetic indices. I will leave this table below here so we have the information about the Jump 50 index. Now let's go back to the Pip calculator. On the top you have a Pip value in US dollars. Whenever you click calculate here you will get the value in US dollars. Then you have a symbol with the drop down menu, and currently I have selected Jump 50 index, but you have other synthetic indices that are available to calculate. Whenever you click and select one of these, in this case I have Jump 50 index, it will automatically populate this contract size and the point value field. Below that you have a volume which is set to 1, and that is one standard lot. You can change this volume later on if you would like to change the value of a Pip, and also about the value for the stop loss and the take profit. I will show that later in the example. Then you have a contract size which is set to 1, and that means the contract size is defined by the broker. This never changes during the calculation, so pay attention that you have the correct value for the specific symbol. In this case the Jump 50 index is defined by the broker and it is set to 1. Then you have a point value which is also a 1 pip. It is defined as 0.01. That means when you go here on the chart you can see that the price has 2 decimal points. So when the price changes by 0.01, that will be changed by 1 pip. And when you have entered these three values, the volume, contract size and the point value, click calculate and you will get what is the value of a 1 pip. So when the price change on the chart by 0.01, that will mean the price has changed by 1 cent. Below that you have 3 fields to enter the entry price, the stop loss and the take profit. So if you would like to calculate how much would be the stop loss and take profit in US dollars, you can enter these 3 values and click calculate to get the stop loss difference and the take profit difference, and that means difference between the stop loss and the entry price and difference between the entry price and the take profit. Let me show you an example so you will understand how to use this Pip calculator. Let's, for example, we open a new order at the current market price and we are expecting that the price will go up. We put stop loss just below this low, so the take profit will be here. So let's enter these 3 values here inside the Pip calculator. 47781.02, then we have stop loss for 6946.86 and the take profit 4967.0.93. Click calculate, and here is the stop loss and the take profit. Let's copy this stop loss value and put it here in the point value field and click calculate. You will get the value of a pip for the stop loss in US dollars. So the stop loss in this case would be equal to 834.16. Take profit, let's do the same, copy paste this one here, click calculate and you get take profit value. So let's open an order with these values. Let's put the volume as a 1 because we have volume here 1. Then we have a stop loss and we have take profit. Now we are expecting that the price will go up in value, so this means we need to open a buy by the market. Click button and we have a new order open here with the stop loss and the take profit. The entry price is slightly different than the one that we had before because the price has changed, but we can enter this correct value here. Click calculate, so we get the correct stop loss and take profit value. Let's copy this stop loss here and click calculate to see how much the stop loss would be equal. So it is $860.73. Let's check this one on the chart. I'll remove these horizontal lines so we can see the stop loss and take profit. Hover your mouse over this line where the stop loss is and we will see 860.73. It is the same value we got here inside the Pip calculator. Let's take profit value 1863.34. Let's check the chart. 1863.34. It is the same value for the jump 50 index the Pip calculator is showing right now. So you can see we have seen how much the stop loss and take profit would be before opening an order. So if we are okay with that, we can open with these values a new order. Now let's, for example, change the volume so we lower the stop loss close to 100. Let's check and see the stop loss is 860. So if we would like to get stop loss close to 100, we would need to change the volume. So for example, it is 860 more divided by 8, it would be close to 100. So let's divide volume 1 with 8, so that would be 0.2. Let's click calculate. It is 172. So we could also divide this by 2, so this would be 0.1. Click calculate. And it is 86.07. It is close to 100. So if you would like to open a new order with a volume 0.1 and the stop loss take profit close to these values, it would be close to 100. Let's do that. Open new order, but before that let's define the stop loss and take profit. This would be, for example, here. Now let's put stop loss just above these lines, these highs of these candles, and put take profit, for example, here. Now let's put these values inside the Pip calculator. 47781.02. Stop loss would be 48276.31, and let's put take profit for 6308.20. Click calculate, and here it is the stop loss value. Copy this one here and click calculate. Now we got 49.53. So if you would like to get a stop loss close to 100, we would need to multiply the volume by 2, so we can increase also the stop loss value by 2. Click calculate, and it is close to 199.06. Now we are okay with this one. We know the volume, and let's go open a new order. It will be a sell order because we are expecting the price will go down. So let's change the volume to 0.2. Copy paste stop loss, take profit, and click sell. We have new order open here. Let's put the new entry price for 7803.45. Click calculate, and let's take the stop loss, put it here, click calculate. We got 94.57. It is the stop loss. Now let's check on the chart. It is the same value. Let's hover our mouse over this line, and minus 94.57. It is the same value we got here inside the Pip calculator. And let's check the take profit. Copy one, click calculate, 300. Let's check it, 299.05. Now you can see we have calculated the stop loss and take profit before opening order, and we have set the volume to desired value to get the stop loss at the close to the value that we would like to have. So you can use this jump 50 index Pip calculator to calculate the stop loss and take profit before opening order. This way you can calculate the proper risk management on each trade, so you are in a safe hands. So this way you can be much more predictive regarding the order and also the stop loss. So if you have any questions regarding this jump 50 Pip calculator, leave a comment below and I will try to make a new video to answer your question. So if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe, and see you next time, and happy trading!